Hello children, welcome to English session. In the last video I had sent you the lesson, description of the lesson, The Sparrow's Revenge. So in this video I want to discuss question answer with you. Why did people decided to make an effigy of a man and burn it? People decided to burn the effigy of man to please the rain god. People decided to burn the effigy of a man to please the rain god. Okay, I will not be sending notes. You have to copy from video only. How was little sparrow received by the old woman? The old woman received the little sparrow. How did she receive? She received it with vicious mind, and she screeched and she cursed the bird. She cursed the bird. She screeched and cursed the bird, and she never allowed the bird to come inside. Okay, and she also warned the bird that next time she will be throwing hot water on the bird if it comes. Why did the bird want to take revenge on the old woman? The bird wanted to take revenge on the old woman because the bird was satisfied if she had not taken it in. It was okay for the bird if she had not taken in, but she, in the heavy rains also, she throwed the pot full of water on him and also warned that next time she will be throwing the boiled water. So the bird wanted to take revenge. Okay, understood? You have to write the answer in that. The bird wanted to take revenge because it was okay if she had not taken it inside, but in that heavy rains she threw the cold water on the bird. For that the bird was shivering and it felt sad. What did the river instruct the bird to do? The river instructed the bird to first plug all the holes in its body except its mouth. It said, use the reeds growing on my banks. The sparrow plugged all the holes in its body with the help of reeds, and then it said that the bird should suck all the water through the beak, and the bird sucked all the water and it grew as big as baby elephant, large baby elephant. And then the river said that give that Herodian the soaking she deserved. Means the river asked the bird to soak that lady. Okay. Why did people do not refuse to give shelter to sparrow? Because of its revenge. They don't want to risk the revenge of a sparrow, so they give shelter to, they never say no for sparrow to give shelter. They don't want to risk the revenge of a sparrow. Okay. Do you think sparrow was justified in taking the revenge on the old woman? Yes, I think so, because the old woman did not just allowed it to come inside, but it also threw the water, and next time warning also she gave that she will be throwing the boiled water. So I think so, sparrow is justified in taking the revenge. What is the underlying message of this story? The underlying message of the story is eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. Means tit for tat. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी बोलते ना हिंदी में अपन. अच्छा, ओके. नाउ द पीपल एट देयर विट एंड्स बिकॉज देयर वॉज no rain, the fields hadn't been filled. Both A and B is the right answer. Second, people made an effigy of a man and set it on fire as a sacrifice to the rain god. The rain god seemed to be pleased with the prayers because it rained for days without stopping. Sparrow wished to take revenge on the old woman because she had treated him cruelly. Okay. Now, the next is your grammar. Test your grammar skill. So now, see. Come to page number 86. Change the underlined word into their contracted form. It has been long time since I saw you. तो it's लिखना पड़ेगा. It's long time since I saw you. I wish you had not behaved in that manner. Had not का short form है hadn't. May I will go to school tomorrow. I will का short form है I apostrophe double L. Who is at the door? Who is का short form है who apostrophe S. They are moving in their new house. They apostrophe RE is the short form of they are. The lion would not jump through the hoop. Wouldn't. Would N apostrophe T. Wouldn't. I wish it did not rain today. Didn't. Did N apostrophe T. Okay. Further, it is regarding question tags. So, it is a bit warm here, isn't it? You have to write, isn't it? We haven't met before. Already there is negativity. So, I have told in my video that whenever there is a negativity in the question, answer should not be negative. Have we? You are not leaving just now, aren't you? You can stay a bit longer, can't you? That was really funny, wasn't it? Now, come back to this match the column. Match the column is pittance. Pittance means I, tiny amount. Pittance means tiny amount. Paltry is meager, thoda sa. Lota, it's iota या iota. Iota means insignificant. E, third का E. Fourth specific, exact. A. Sustain, support. C. Conspiracy, a plot. म्हणजे षड्यंत्र रचना, तो उसको a plot बोलते. H. Abnormal, B. Unusual. Serene, J. Calm. Adjacent, F. Next to. Sanction, D. To authorize. I hope children match the column is clear now. As and when I am sending the videos, you have to complete your notes. Now this lesson is completely over. If you have any difficulty in the question answer, you may ask me. Otherwise, I have sent on video. So now written question answer I will not be sending. One time you have to write the glossary in your fair book and use these glossary words in your own sentence. That is there in every video, and you have to follow the rules. While checking the book, I will be checking everything, and I have sent the notice of name of the school, format, writing skill. I have already sent on the group. Please check it and complete your book. Okay. Till then, have a good day.